हम्म, रोहन,
Yes.
स्टार्ट कर ले।
Okay. So guys, Kyle, some of you requested to see a solid rocket motor. So, wait up. Okay, so this is a solid rocket motor. It's made up of PVC pipe and इसमें ये है bentonite clay. That's basically जो मुल्तानी मिट्टी होती है वो है, एंड जो इसका फ्यूल होता है that this is a sugar powered वाला. So we have sugar and potassium nitrate, एंड ये 70:30 के रेशियो में होता है, 70 पोटेशियम एंड 30 शुगर. तो ये हम लोग रेशियो रखते हैं, दैट इज वेट रेशियो. तो अभी इसके लिए आई हैव टेकन इट 50/50 वॉल्यूमेट्रिक. तो दिस इज अ सॉलिड रॉकेट मोटर. ओके, सो अभी लाइक हम इसको वर्टिकली तो फ्लाई करके नहीं दिखा सकते, बट आई विल शो यू हियर. ये आई विल टेप इट टू दिस एंड you guys can see this. Okay, just a second, I'll just tape it. ओके, मनन वीडियो दिख रहा है ना प्रॉपर?
हाँ, दिख रहा है, दिख रहा है।
हेलो, ओके बेटा.
थोड़ा सा सिर्फ नीचे करना, इसकी तरफ पॉइंट कर देना।
ओके वेट.
अ,
अब
नहीं, थोड़ा
फाइन. ओके.
A little bit more on.
सॉरी.
A little bit.
प्लीज रिपीट. ओके, हाँ, जस्ट अ सेकंड. एंड गाइस, ये जो इसका फ्यूल होता है पोटेशियम एंड द शुगर. इफ यू वांट यू कैन ऐड लिटिल बिट ऑफ रस्ट इसमें, आयरन रस्ट एंड एल्यूमिनियम. वो रिएक्शन फास्ट करता है तो आपका बर्न रेट फास्ट होगा. तो दिस इज अ नॉर्मल पेपर आई रोल्ड इन, एंड इसमें थोड़ा सा वाइट मिक्स है विच वी हैव प्रिपेयर्ड. सो here we go. That's it.
यप, सो एज अब तुमने देखा कि द सॉलिड रॉकेट मोटर का जो टाइम रहता है बर्न होने का, इट्स इट्स वेरी लो। ओके, एंड दैट्स व्हाट यू वांट टू कीप। आप जितना सामान भर रहे हो उसके अंदर, जितने जल्दी वो निकल सकता है उससे बाहर, उतना अच्छा। ओके, द बर्न शुड बी एज फास्ट एज पॉसिबल। सो दैट्स व्हाई रोहन, प्लीज म्यूट।
What, sorry.
प्लीज म्यूट कर, तेरे बैकग्राउंड में आवाज आ रहा है।
Okay.
हाँ, ओके, सो यप, दैट्स व्हाई वी हैव दिस मोटर्स, राइट। ये मोटर जितने जल्दी बर्न होंगे उतना अच्छा। ओके, यू डोंट वांट अ स्लो बर्न रेट। ओके, you don't want a slow burn rate, you want the burn to be as fast as possible. Okay, so it will produce more thrust. इसके लिए you have to make a mixture of KNO3. I'll show you, I have it here. कल भी मैंने दिखाया था तुम्हें। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, केयर द सॉलिड रॉकेट के लिए जो आप ऑक्सीडाइजर बोल के यूज करते हो, दिस इज इट, potassium nitrate. You have to make sure that it is pure one. You have to make sure that the whole thing is ये आप उसे अच्छे सील करते। इफ यू सी, यहाँ पर टाइट सील लगाई, प्लास्टिक में कवर किया है, अंदर टेप मारी है, सील टाइट किया है, सो दैट अंदर मॉइस्चर नहीं जाना चाहिए, मॉइस्चर से सब खराब होता है. ओके, so that is one thing. And the second you use as fuel is sugar. आप शुगर को पाउडर करके मिक्स करते हो. नाउ रोहन हियर, he tried different combinations right now. Generally 70-30 60-40 के रेशियो में रखते हैं आप. But right now, due to some reason which I really have no idea how, but उसका भी 50-50 वॉल्यूमेट्रिक रेशियो के इसमें KNO3 और शुगर के इसमें उसका बर्न अच्छा हो रहा है. बट we'll study उसमें कि क्यों ये है ऐसा. We'll do some more experiments and let's see if we find some good answers for it. Okay. So with that, I'll look at the comment section. Okay, ठीक है. So with that, we'll start today's session. Okay. I hope everybody is ready because आज का session is going to be going to be very informal. Okay, we would like to keep it informal. आपका ये आना चाहिए. You should tell us like discussions type रखते हैं. Okay, if you want to come and कुछ बताना है या फिर comment में आप डाल सकते हो. We'll look at it. We'll talk about it. Okay, so let's keep it very informal and chill out because I know पहले के 3 sessions were a bit heavy. So we'll just relax in this session. Okay, nothing much इसका. Second of all, PPT I will be providing you with PPT and the references because ये references and the recording of this video. This video is been recorded right now. So जैसे ही अभी ये होगा इसका लिंक मैं वीडियो ड्राइव पर डाल दूंगा so that PPT में इतनी इन्फॉर्मेशन नहीं है. We'll be giving it orally much more as discussion format में होगा. ओके, मेरी वॉइस सबको क्रैक हो रही है क्या?
यस मैम.
ओके,
बीच बीच में थोड़ा क्रैक हो रहा है.
Manan, your video paused.
Hello, mic testing 1 2 3.
Yes, it's clear now.
Okay, great. Okay, I apologize for that. I hope it's clear now. Okay, we'll begin. I'll start with presenting now. Okay, guys. Cool. Yeah. Okay, Disha, thanks. Okay, we are clear. So sci-fi. Okay, sci-fi and its and how it changed the world. So sci-fi, science fiction. First of all, for those of you who don't know, sci-fi has been influencing us, the innovators, the inventors around the world. Okay. Okay, Introduction to Flight. Yes, it's a good book. I have that book with me. If time permits, I'll show you that book. If you have that book, that's a good book. Introduction to Flight. Okay. So sci-fi is considered a novelty in many places. Okay, because right now we are facing with lots and lots of worldly issues and stuff, and उसके बीच में कहीं तो भी sci-fi आ रहा है, which gives you hope that future will be better. So sci-fi की थिंकिंग इंडिया में sci-fi इतना ज्यादा पॉपुलर नहीं हुआ है as much as बाहर के कंट्रीज में पॉपुलर है. इंडिया में अभी sci-fi हो रहा है धीरे धीरे पॉपुलर, बट जनरली sci-fi के इंस्पिरेशंस वी गेट फ्रॉम द US and UK. US and the UK. Okay, so basically in today's session, what we'll be looking at some concepts about sci-fi. Okay, first of all, we'll be looking at how sci-fi influenced influenced the present we live in. Okay, because आज जो हम रह रहे हैं एक present में, that was somebody else's sci-fi. Okay, we'll go about it that how the present technology से हम granted में लेते हैं, वो कैसे एक टाइम में लोगों के लिए साइंस फिक्शन फ्यूचर था, and then we'll look at how for us right now sci-fi जो हमारे लिए है वो फ्यूचर में किसी और के लिए मे बी द फ्यूचर जनरेशंस के लिए वो sci-fi रियलिटी होगी किसी की. ओके, सो विल लुक एट दैट. ओके, कमेंट सेक्शंस में आने दो. आई माइट मिस, आई विल ट्राई टू कवर एज मेनी थिंग्स एज पॉसिबल. कुछ किसी को कुछ क्वेश्चंस ये है, माइक ऑन करके बोल दो, नो इश्यूज. ओके, इफ यू गाइस आर एबल टू टर्न ऑन योर माइक, या फिर कमेंट्स में भी डाल दो. ग्रेट. ओके,
What is sci-fi, sir? I don't understand it.
ओके ओके, या दैट्स द इशू. वी यहाँ पर साईफाई के बारे में इतनी कम इंफॉर्मेशन दी गई है जनरली अपने करिकुलम में भी. साईफाई साइंस फिक्शन. ओके, आप एक साइंटिफिक फिक्शन, साईफाई इज अ जॉनर. ओके, इट्स अ जॉनर कॉल्ड एज साइंस फिक्शन. इसमें आप क्रिएटर्स, द कंटेंट राइटर्स कैन राइट अबाउट इट. राइटर्स, बहुत ग्रेट ग्रेट राइटर्स है जिन्होंने इसके बारे में लिखा है. that I'll tell you about those writers and उन्होंने क्या लिखा है. मूवीज उसके बारे में बनती है, लाइक इंटरस्टेलर आप बोल सकते हो, 2001 स्पेस ओडिसी आप बोल सकते हो. ऐसे बहुत सारी मूवीज उसके बारे में बनते हैं. देयर आर कार्टून शोज लाइक जेटसन्स, अगर किसी ने देखा होगा बचपन में जेटसन्स, देयर आर शोज अबाउट इट. सो साईफाई इज टू बी एक स्ट्रेट फॉरवर्ड टर्म में बोलो दैट एक कोई से भी साइंटिफिक, आप एक साइंटिफिक कुछ एक फ्यूचरिस्टिक टेक्नोलॉजी आप डिस्क्राइब करते हो, तो एक कंसेप्ट डिस्क्राइब करते हो, बट उसका आप साइंस पीछे देते नहीं, उसको साइंटिफिक स्टैंडिंग आप देते नहीं, आप जस्ट उसे लिखते हो बिकॉज it is something which is cool, it is something which is audience ka attraction, audience will like it and something. Okay, it doesn't have to have a very rigid scientific background towards it. Okay, but even if this things are don't have scientific rigid background, future में scientists उससे inspire होके उसका background create करते, they try to make this technology into reality. Okay, we'll look at them. So first of all, I'll show you a small video. Okay, I've scoured through the internet for these videos and I'll show you a small video, 9-second का video है. It will tell you about a certain piece of technology जो एक time पे, like right now, ये बताने से पहले भी तुमको ये science fiction लगेगा. Okay, here they have एक material ओवन से निकाला है, it's red hot and that person is able to lift that material up, no issues, nothing. I'll play that again. ओवन से हीट करके वो मटेरियल निकाला है एक, एंड वो मटेरियल दैट इंसान हाथ से उठा पा रहा है इवन इफ दैट मटेरियल इज रेड हॉट. ओके, दिस इज नॉट मैजिक, दिस इज नॉट समथिंग एल्स, दिस इज बेस्ड ऑन प्योर साइंस. यप, कोई कुछ बोल रहा है? कोई कुछ बोल रहा है? नहीं? ओके,
ना कंटिन्यू.
Okay, yeah. यहाँ पर there is this material called as carbon composite. Okay, carbon का एक मटेरियल जो स्पेस शटल की टाइल्स में, स्पेस शटल का जो नोज होता है ना, उसमें यूज होता है ये. It's used as silica, yeah, sort of. It's used as heat shield. Okay, ये नोज में लगा जाता है. दिस इज हेवी सिलिका टाइल्स. जनरली आप एयरबस के नीचे वाले सेक्शन, सॉरी एयरबस क्या बोल रहा हूँ, स्पेस शटल के नीचे वाले सेक्शन में देखते हैं. बट दिस इज कार्बन कंपोजिट टाइप. I'll give you इसका ऑथेंटिक नेम मैं आपको आगे बताता हूँ. ओके, सो दिस पर्टिकुलर टेक आप देखोगे राइट नाउ. अगर तुम्हें थोड़ी देर पहले कोई बोलता दैट दिस सच थिंग एग्जिस्ट, you might have been like, okay, no, it's not possible because that उसे एक oven से निकाला है, that is glowing red hot, how can this thing work? So scientists have they got inspired by such writings, they got inspired by certain things and they make these things. The secret to this particular material is that the conductivity is very low, the heat conductivity is very low, इसलिए उसे वो हाथ से पकड़ पा रहे. अगर उसे it is very crushable, if you just उसे ज़्यादा ही थोड़ा tightly पकड़ लो तो it will crack and that person will get burned. Okay, so great writers in sci-fi. We'll come back to again the sci-fi topic. Aerogel is the future. Aerogel, in space sector में aerogel is a bit difficult because of its fragile nature, but yes, aerogel is very useful in lots and lots of areas. So great writers which we have is Isaac Asimov, obviously, Arthur C. Clarke, Mary Shelby, and H.G. Wells. ओके उनका थोड़ा कंटेंट देखेंगे अपन. मैरी शेल्बी, शी इज क्रेडिटेड एज वन ऑफ द फर्स्ट एक्चुअल साइंस फिक्शन राइटर्स. She was, I think she existed in probably 1800s, 1800s के time पे she was alive, and उस time पे she wrote something which I think all of you must be familiar with. It's called Frankenstein. Okay, we'll see that. First of all, we'll start with Star Trek. Star Trek for me has been the biggest source of inspiration. It has been the biggest source of what you can say, innovative ideas का source. या फिर it inspired me a lot. Okay. Star Trek में there were lots and lots of technology जो Star Trek original series से, then उसके जॉन लुक पिकार्ड की पूरी सीरीज और उन सब के बाद से there are multiple technologies जो हमने उस टाइम से अभी तक डेवलप किए. First of all, we'll be going through some of these technologies and you will see that actually many of these people, physicists, inventors, all of them agree that at some point or the other they have been influenced by this technology and tried to make this technology into reality. First of all is this thing. If I remember it correctly, I think अभी मैं Discovery देख रहा हूँ, Star Trek Discovery, उसके अंदर ये tricorders नहीं है अभी. So this is a tricorder. Correct me if I'm wrong, anybody Star Trek fan? So this was the early editions में उन्होंने ये किया था. So this tricorder was essentially a phone or a locator. Okay, a locator of a person कि वो person कहाँ है space time में, and उससे कॉल करने के लिए यूज किया था. And look at this phone which we have side में. You can see the comparison. दिख रहा है that how this early sci-fi influenced the phones and the flip phones. Kind of interesting, isn't it? We'll be looking at more such examples. So Star Trek has influenced many generation of scientists. Voice interface computers. Okay, we have this AI Siri, Google Assistant. Early Star Treks में Star Trek के generally ships are controlled by a computer. आप उससे inform करते हो कि we want to go here या फिर contact this person, and that person is contacted by this computer. So एक human to machine एक computer interface भी किया था. That was made into actual shows and stuff. Way before this all technology was even remotely possible. Okay. Google Assistant and everything, they are inspired by this. People who are working hard been inspired by this thing. They are like, okay, we can have what if we can have a machine to talk to? Getting the idea? Inspirations. Portable memory. Okay, right now most of you would be taking this thing as this portable memory granted. I am very sure I do take it granted. मैं कुछ भी करो cloud में upload कर देता हूँ. But there was a time जब एक 5 MB का एक छोटा सा 5 MB की storage used to be as big as printer, इसका क्या बोलते हैं, Xerox machine रहते ना, उतना बड़ा रहता था. एक 5 MB की storage, that much. Okay. And the processing power you have right now, and the storage you have right now at the tip of your finger is more than the whole Apollo guidance computer had back in the days. So they imagined a time when you can just you can just have एक जगह से लेकर दूसरी जगह आप एक portable device memory storage आप carry कर सको कि जिसमें you will have terabytes or gigabytes of data, and you can just take that data with you anywhere you want. Okay, storage in a chip or a small in a small place, portable memories. This is one of the sci-fi kind influence था. Even God watches Star Trek. Good one. Okay. Okay, this movie has inspired many generations. अगर किसी ने अभी news देखी होगी, so there was a monolith found in Utah. Yeah, so people were like correlating. किसी ने अगर ये movie नहीं देखी है तो I strongly suggest please do watch this movie. 1968 में ये movie आई थी, and they predicted lots and lots of things. First of all, they predicted tablets. You can see the tablet right there. Us time tablet or nowhere near. Right now we use tablet every day, but they were one of the first people to predict that tablet would be the useful. Tablet will be very useful in space and even on Earth. ISS per tablet are routinely used. Okay, Space Odyssey में they have also AI controlling the ship का concept उन्होंने वहां पर भी दिया था. They have helped us imagine lots and lots of other technologies too. For example, वहां पर एक AI controlling the whole system or autonomously controlling a certain aspects of a air का or of a spacecraft, उसका भी अपने को concept दिया गया है, which we right now actively use. Either that is for satellites में हो, collision avoidance में हो, या फिर it is used in drones, UAVs. आज अपन ने देखा उसमें autonomous systems की अपन ने बात की. So these all started way back then. Scientists, these writers and people always are like 2 steps, 3 steps, 10 steps ahead of the current technology. Okay, this might surprise you, but 1911 में this guy Hugo, he envisioned a future जिसमें you will be able to talk to anyone, like have a this video call जिसे आज अपन refer करते हैं. Okay, HAL. Okay, what does that mean? HAL, okay, Hindustan Aeronautics Limited. तो उसका क्या? Yeah, what was it? Yep, 1911 में we had this thing. Hugo ने predict किया था that we someday might be able to talk with someone, or we someday might be able to have a conversation with someone by looking at them in a screen. Okay, उनसे आप face to face बात कर पाओगे. Okay. Oh, sorry. Yep. Name of the AI in the okay. Sorry. India's first manned mission is also a sci-fi. Okay. Yeah. So this guy predicted that this guy wanted it to be a reality, and many generations passed by before we 2003 में Skype launch हुआ. Then Apple FaceTime आया, and then we today are able to literally have this whole session, this whole interaction online. Okay, we are able to face किसी से बात कर पा रहे online. So you can see, just 100 years ago, this was sci-fi, and right now we are taking it as a reality. Okay, getting the point. As I told you, Mary Shelley is credited as one of the first sci-fi writers. She wrote Frankenstein. Okay, because उस time पे electricity was a very novel concept. Okay, it was like लोग किसी भी चीज को electricity लगा कर देख रहे थे. Like it was considered as something which can bring dead back. It was something which can animate people or anything. So literally सबको electricity लगा कर देख रहे थे. And this Mary Shelley wrote she connected with few scientists and literary professionals of her time, and she wrote Frankenstein. Frankenstein inspired a lot of generation. Yeah. Frankenstein inspired a lot of this current generation to even think about this concept of reanimating a particular person. Okay, so इससे inspired this guy. Okay, I'll type the name of this guy. I had in my mind, I just lost it. So he made, I think Earl था इनका नाम. Okay, I'll get back to you with the name. So what he did is, he was inspired by this Frankenstein monster so much that he invented something called a pacemaker. Okay, he credits this inspiration from Frankenstein. So right now millions of people are surviving because in 1800s में एक बंदी ने एक बुक लिखी थी. वो बुक से एक बंदा, एक sci-fi बुक से एक बंदा इंस्पायर हुआ, और उस इंस्पिरेशन से आज millions of people are using that device which he made every day to just to beat their hearts. Influence of sci-fi, एक टाइम का sci-fi, आज की reality. Okay, this is something which I wanted to say. That's why if you get some time now, today, like read some sci-fi books. It might inspire you to make something. It might inspire you to get some creative and some sort of sense. So right now we are here. Today's sci-fi. Right now, if we are seeing, आज मैं जो sci-fi सुन रहा हूँ या फिर देख रहा हूँ, जो अपन आगे भी discuss करेंगे, teleportation, warp drives, nanobots to heal every human disease are current sci-fi which will become reality in the future. Yes, exactly. Antanu, exactly. We'll be covering a few of them. We'll be covering थोड़े sci-fi के थोड़े से measures भी cover करेंगे अपन जो which were taken earlier in sci-fi and now they are considered standard practices. We'll be looking there. A very good input on them. Okay, so first of all, brain-machine interface. Okay, as you can see right now, our typing speed is very very limited. Okay, आप type कर रहे हो ठीक है, मुझे personally bore होता है type करने में. Okay, I generally try to send audio clips. Okay, मुझे type करना is like a big pain for me because the amount of things you have to, like it takes a lot of time to करना पड़ता है and it's just meh. Okay, but imagine a place where you can just think and that thought is transported. Okay, imagine a system where you can. I think some of you might be able to guess this. Okay, I think some of you might be able to guess this stuff that of which company I'm talking about. Yes, Neuralink, exactly. So imagine if you are able to talk to your phone directly with your thoughts. Okay, आपको कुछ ना टाइप करना है ना कुछ करना है फोन पे नहीं. If you are directly able to get on the internet and search whatever you want just by sitting there and doing nothing, just by thoughts. If you are able to do it, the bandwidth of information which you can transmit will be exponential. Okay, आप अभी just two thumbs से type कर रहे हो, that's it, that's the amount आप कितने एक 50 या फिर 60 words a minute आप maximum type कर पाओगे या फिर maybe 100, I don't know. But if you are talking it via thoughts, you will be on some other level because you won't have to there won't be a like मैं think कर रहा हूँ फिर मैं type कर रहा हूँ फिर वो typing जा रहा है. It would be direct, मैं सोच रहा हूँ वो सोच क्या search हो रहा है Google पे. Yeah. S1 difficult geological photo Google fish. Exactly. Like this happens. Okay, this happens. Yeah, minds being hacked. Yes, that can also happen. Elon Musk wants to play games via thoughts. Lol. But the main purpose to bridge many neurological diseases and establish brains to nerve connections. Yes, exactly, Anthony. This has also medical. This has medical advantages also. Here Neuralink is trying to establish a brain-machine interface. आपके दिमाग में एक छोटी सी chip जाएगी. That chip will be able to decode your neural impulses, and the neural impulses will go about and that will be able to understand. The machine will be able to decode that कि okay आपको, for example, I want to say if I'm impaired, अगर मुझे accident के मेरे nerve endings damage हो गए, so that can also be उसके लिए आप actuators लगा सकते हो physical या फिर physical आप कुछ system लगा सकते हो and you can control it directly via brain. Okay, so there are this lots and lots of research which is going on there. We'll be looking at a very special video which I've made. I think some of you might be familiar with it, but many of you are not. So I'll be showing you a special video which I've made. I think you will like it. Neuralink. Right now, today's sci-fi brain-machine interface, tomorrow's future, tomorrow's reality. Who knows? Sci-fi is just sci-fi without fire. Brain-machine, it is going to replace keyboards as by brains. PUBG खेलने exactly. Imagine करो lag कितना कम होगा जब तुम PUBG खेलोगे. Okay, you're just sitting there like this and you are able to like kill people in alternate direction. That would be a next level gaming system. Gen hackers mind intercept living reality. Scary, man. Yes, it is scary. Yeah, sure. Cyborgs, wormholes, spaceships. Now, these all concepts are right now in India में इसकी बात नहीं हो रही, but we have to bring it here. Okay, we have to make sure that we talk about such things because they will right now they'll inspire us to make something. When it's possible, we'll be inspired to do something or make something new. Okay, we'll be a part of machine. Let's see, we have a consciousness uploaded maybe. Some of the scientists predict that this might be possible in next 50 years. Some point out maybe next 100 years. But we can all agree that at any level of progress, even if the progress is 0.001% is a progress year by year of particular system, it is inevitable that after a certain point of time we will be able to communicate via our thoughts or we'll be able to have symbiote relationship with a machine. Okay, we'll be able to coexist with a living machine, or we'll be able to coexist inside a machine at any level of progress, even if it's 0.01. As Elon Musk once said, I know many of you might know this. Elon Musk once said that at any level of progress, may it be no matter how small, there will come a time when the video games become indistinguishable from reality. Something of that sort. Immortal cyborg. After this, we can be immortal. Yeah, Black Mirror. Oh God, Black Mirror is oh God, Black Mirror is that thing which keeps me up at night. Flying cars in everyone's house. Flying car is a good option, but flying car is a bit of an issue. There are some practical limitations to flying cars. There are some practical limitations to having a personalized flying car, but let's see if we are able to overcome it. Okay. Next, we'll be talking about some terms. We'll be talking about Kardashev scale. Okay. Now I'll be telling you about few concepts which were first considered in sci-fi के domain में आते थे वो, but right now they are used as standard practices to look for extraterrestrial intelligent life. Okay. I want Iron Man suit. Yeah, sure. There's a Russian guy who's building one. If I remember it correctly. एक है बंदा, एक रशियन बंदा है बना रहा है. I might have this link to his YouTube channel. Fermi paradox. Sure. Okay, so Kardashev scale. Okay, so कोई भी civilization जो होती है, it is gauged through it's one of the parameters it can be gauged is through energy it consumes. Okay, the energy a particular civilization consumes. Okay, so in general, 10⁻16 watt अगर एक civilization consume कर रही है, so that's उसके under consume कर रही है, फिर उतना consume कर रही है, तो we call it below 1 or 1 type 1 civilizations. What is a type 1 civilization? Type 1 civilization जो आप लेफ्ट साइड में फर्स्ट इमेज देख रहे हो, type 1 civilization is able to use the energy output of the complete planet. Okay, do I want for Mark 48? Kurzkazar. Yep. Kurzkazar is a good channel. I would recommend it. Yeah. Dyson Sphere, good one. We'll be coming to Dyson Sphere too. Okay, so first the type 1 civilizations. They are able to use the energy output of entire planet. Okay, right now we as humanity is at 0.77 civilization. We are not a type 1 civilization yet. Yep. So we are not a type 1 civilization as of yet. We are trying to be, maybe someday in our lifetime, maybe we'll be a type 1 civilization. A type 2 civilization. So okay, Kardashev scale is based on the parameter, on the premise that any sufficiently advanced civilization will require exponentially increasing amount of energy to function or to sustain their technological growth. Okay, so we have a type 2 civilizations. Type 2 civilizations are civilizations which take up to 10⁻26 watt, up to 10⁻26 watt of energy. Okay, so generally what they do is type 2 civilization are able to harness the energy output of their entire sun. Okay, उनके sun की पूरी energy output उन्हें ये करते आती है. They're able to harness it. How will they harness the entire output of their sun? They'll build something called as Dyson Sphere. Okay, Dyson Sphere or Dyson Swarm. Okay, okay, just a minute. Okay, yep. Okay, yeah. Okay, Dyson Sphere or Dyson Swarm. What it does, in the very layman's term, imagine करो कि आप सन के जितना पास हो सके उतना पास सोलर पैनल्स लगा रहे हो. ओके, और उससे पूरे सन के एक ऑर्बिट कवर कर रहे हो. ओके, सन का पूरा ऑर्बिट कवर करें इन सच वे दैट सन की कोई एनर्जी बाहर नहीं जा रही, आप उसे कंप्लीटली उसको आपके डिजायर्ड एनर्जी फॉर्म में आप कन्वर्ट कर रहे हो उसे. ओके, यू कैन इमेजिन इट इन दैट वे, सो दैट ऐसे energy, you'll be able to harness the entire energy output of your sun, convert it into the form of energy you need, and then use it for your technological growth. Okay, this is Dyson sphere. Dyson sphere right now scientists generally when they look for this thing, advanced civilizations, they try to look for this particular structure. They don't try to actually actively look, but they have an eye for this structure also. So this Kardashev scale Dyson sphere are very logical next approaches for any sufficient civilization. It's very logical, hence we think that any sufficiently advanced civilization, when they have to have a technological growth, or when they have to need the energy output, उनकी energy output increase होगी, energy input increase होगी, so they'll have to resort to such mega structures. Okay, the size of this is incomprehensible. It is actually incomprehensible to us, and yeah, they can be made. So what astrophysics or scientists who search for these structures, they actually look at the stars and they try to find some irregularities in the brightness of the particular star. I think some of you will be able to mention a particular star which was the most likely candidate for a Dyson sphere. Okay, we had sufficient we had some amount of proof which would state that this particular thing is a Dyson, that the particular star system में एक Dyson sphere है. Anybody able to tell me which star it was? बहुत recent बात है. It's about couple of years पहले की बात है. It made a lot of media show and something. We'll be getting the confirmation in 2021 for that particular star. It's proved wrong. Yeah, it has proved wrong, but the final it's in the process of being proved wrong. 2021 में we'll have another we'll have the look at that, and at that time we should see a certain predictable depths. Okay, so that might prove it wrong, but still we are in the process of proving it wrong. But still we are actively looking for Dyson sphere because they are a very detectable for us right now, detectable sign of alien life on another planet. Okay. Oh, okay, good one, Prathamesh, good one. I give the reason why. Can I say yes? If you know the reason why, just type the reason why. It's cool. Type it out. Tabby star. Good one, Tabby star. Good one, Arena. Man, you guys know. How do you detect a Dyson sphere? Okay, good question. Good question there. So, abhi, as you can see यहाँ पर, ये Dyson sphere, as you can see on the screen right now, this star is literally covered with structures. Okay. So जब हम दूर से उस स्टार को देखेंगे, उसकी लाइट बहुत irregular पैटर्न में उसकी लाइट डिम होगी. ओके, जनरली स्टार्स की लाइट जब हम दूर से देखते हैं वो डिम होती है जब प्लैनेट्स पास होते हैं और बिग चंक ऑफ डेब्री पास होता है. ओके, प्रेडिक्टेबल पैटर्न से ये होते हैं, वो स्टार की लाइट कम होती है. बट जब ऐसे सुपर स्ट्रक्चर्स रहते हैं तब देयर इज नॉट a certain predictable pattern which we can find out कि स्टार की लाइट उसकी वजह से डिम हो रही है. Okay, so at that time we are able to guess कि okay, there might be, it's might, there are other hypotheses too. Most of hypotheses delete होने के बाद we come to the conclusion of Dyson sphere. Okay, I think planets could be how we differentiate. Okay, irregularity is the answer. Yes, that's big debris of planets, and because of scientists. Yes, we are in the process of negating this theory. Let's see कि अगर Tabby star पे we have a Dyson sphere or not. 2021, I hope that's a better year for us. Maybe उस time we'll get to know something. Yeah, it might be unknown planets and debris. Yes, exactly, it might be. Okay, so let's see. It was a Dyson sphere. Yes, I personally want it to be a Dyson sphere, but because we are having a scientific approach, we negate all possible answers and then approach to the conclusion we want. Only when we negate all possible answers, we are able to tell कि हाँ सब कुछ scientific proof करके हम उन्हें negate कर पा रहे थे. That you won't need direct sunlight. We would be living a different life. I'll be telling you. Look at here. Okay, this is a good artistic impression right now. यहाँ पर okay, this is like pure sci-fi. This is pure sci-fi-ish. we'll be able to colonize a planet. इसके बाद का we'll be able to live in space habitats. Okay, जैसे इंटरस्टेलर में देखा है. Okay, like one more question I have for you guys. Is anybody able to name the habitats which we saw in Interstellar? जो cylindrical habitats देखे थे ना इंटरस्टेलर में, उनका नाम कोई बता पा रहा है क्या? कोई बता पाएगा? Go ahead, Google search. Try to find it. If we create access, how we get direct sunlight on Earth? Okay, but I hope it's not like this. There also a tech on this that can be propelled. Yes. There is such tech. Yes. I'll be sharing you with the videos link. जो group में जो है participants registered, I'll be sharing you the link. Don't worry. Yeah, sort of. So we are able to harness it, and we won't be confined to Earth. Okay, we won't be confined to just Earth. We might be able to create artificial sunlight for the rest of the living beings on the planet. We might be able to. Okay, Debashish O'Neill cylinder. Good one. कूपर स्टेशन, या कूपर स्टेशन उसका नाम है, उसका नाम दिया गया था कूपर स्टेशन, बट इट्स कॉल्ड एज ओनील सिलेंडर. ओके, ओनील सिलेंडर is sort of it's like a rotating cylinder. For example, इसकी एक ऐसा rotating cylinder है और उसके outskirts पे आप rotate क्यों कर रहा है वो? To create gravity create करने के लिए, because of the centrifugal centripetal forces, pseudo force and the mv square upon r के forces. So we'll be able to create artificial gravity in such sense, and उस पे we'll be able to house trillions of people, not just billions on the planet. We'll be able to create trillions of people on this planet. On that station. Doraemon. Sure, like, okay, Doraemon के few gadgets can be made in reality right now, but few can't. But Doraemon as a robot is it can be considered as sci-fi. It is sci-fi, to be really honest. Future से आ रहा है, some tech which we are not able to scientific basis. Yeah, we can consider it. It's sci-fi cartoon. I don't know. I want that pocket. Sure, man. Okay, so we'll be having that. So these are O'Neill stations. Okay, O'Neill stations, mein, as you can see, we can house lots and lots of people. Pura system is sustainable. The whole idea around revolves around is that whole system will be sustainable. We'll be having everybody will have everything they need, and एक structured society का formation होगा when we are able to make an O'Neill station. Let's see. This is a more scarier one, I agree, but okay. But this is if future might look like something. Future might look like something like this. Isn't it beautiful? Like the whole thing. Okay. Then we have so there is now type 3 civilization. Okay, we'll come on type 3 civilization. Type 3 civilizations, the amount of type 3 civilizations are so mind-bogglingly complex and so advanced that to even think about it is like it's something you can't even comprehend right now. Okay. Type 3 stations right now, type 3 civilizations, they are able to harness the energy output of an entire galaxy. Okay, 10 raised to power 36 watt. It is amount of energy which we can't even comprehend. Okay, इतनी ज़्यादा एनर्जी ये कर सकते हैं, वो निकाल सकते हैं एक गैलेक्सी से to power their needs. Okay, to power their technology, to power their systems. But the question then again remains that how will it be possible कि वो उस type of civilizations पे, like for a civilization to colonize the entire galaxy, it will take millions and billions and billions and billions of years to do that. Okay, millions and okay, Rohan. Okay, so we use something called as von Neumann probe. Okay, now von Neumann probe is suggested by the scientist von Neumann. He was one of the greatest scientists who lived across. He suggested he has a hypothesis to do that, to colonize the entire galaxy, what in just some few million years, what can be done is we can create a one Newman probe. What is one Newman probe? One Newman probes are machines which can self-replicate. Okay, वो क्या करेंगे? The machine will go on a we'll send a machine to a planet or a particular system के planet में जाएंगे. That machine will sit on that planet autonomously. That machine will be able to take raw materials from that planet, study the planet. Okay, and it will take in raw materials a lot, and then okay, and then it will be able to make it will be able to self replicate, खुद को डिवाइड कर पाएगा, it will be able to self replicate. Okay, just by consuming materials and stuff from that particular planet, it will be able to self replicate, और वो replicated चीज फिर जाएगी दूसरे प्लेनेट पर. दिस प्रोसेस विल कंटिन्यू. फिर वो 2 से 4 होंगे, 4 से 8 होंगे, 8 से 16 होंगे, एंड दिस इज it will keep on multiplying exponentially. Within few million years we will be able to colonize the entire galaxy. Okay, pura galactic output we will be able to take it. Okay, this is the amount of energy, the amount of complexity needed for this is so much that it is not it's very it's very mind boggling. Okay, so what can be done is so there is this theory which is floating around, okay, that we humans, the humans or the living organism on the planet Earth might be some alien species, one Newman probe. Interesting to think about it, right? Like we are able to we are able to have we might be somebody else's one Newman probe. Like हमें किसी species ने यहाँ पर डाला होगा, and now we are self-replicating and we are trying to colonize other planets, and we'll then try to colonize the galaxy. So that might be a one Newman probe, किसी का और alien species का one Newman probe might be. Let's see. Maybe galaxy colonize कर पाएंगे. Okay, right now, okay, I have made this video. Okay, a comment section के लोग, the holy people are in the comment section. Okay, the holy people in the comment section right now, just 1 minute के लिए एक मिनट के लिए just pause करो. Okay, first this video जो बना है, okay, I've taken some lot of effort in making this video, so please 2 मिनट रुको, ये वीडियो देखो, and maybe you will be able to get inspired and think about doing crazy projects and reading sci-fi and getting inspired. Okay, tell me, इसका ऑडियो सुनाई दे रहा है क्या सबको?
नहीं,
Okay.
नहीं सुनाई दे रहा.
Okay, that is weird. I'm sorry guys, थोड़ा सा अभी I think we're having issue. कौन सा वाला? No. Okay, stop sharing. Okay, इतना भी गंदा नहीं है, stop sharing बोल रहे हो.
मनन हेलो।
हाँ बोल।
हाँ ऑडियो में जा एंड रीएंटर कर उसको सेटिंग्स।
या फिर
माइक्रोफोन माइक्रोफोन सॉरी माइक्रोफोन में देखना ये माइक्रोफोन में जाओ। माइक्रोफोन
ओके कमेंट सेक्शन, होली पीपल इन द कमेंट सेक्शन। डिजिटल ऑडियो, ओके डिजिटल ऑडियो ट्राई कर रहा हूँ। हाँ स्टॉप शेयरिंग एंड देन स्टार्ट। ओके विद डिजिटल ऑडियो, ओके चलेगा। स्टॉप शेयरिंग, प्रेजेंट नाउ एंटायर स्क्रीन। है ऑडिबल?
It's not audible.
नहीं। ओके होली पीपल इन द कमेंट सेक्शन। और कुछ आइडिया? ओके क्या बोल रहे हैं? सपोर्ट, ओके ओके एक सेकेंड, आई विल ट्राई समथिंग, जस्ट होल्ड ऑन अ बिट। आई एम सॉरी वी आर फेसिंग दिस इशू। कल हुआ था हमारा, आज पता नहीं क्यों हो रहा है। आ रहा है? नो राइट? ओके आई थिंक आई विल हैव टू, और यार शी है, दिस इज hi everyone. As a built-in presenter, the Chrome tab option is this. Okay चलेगा, I'll try that. Yay! Holy people in the comment section. Cheers for you. Okay, चलो स्टार्ट करें। रेडी? यस 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 यस, कूल कूल कूल, वी आर स्टार्टिंग।
Yes.
Okay. Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. So the main purpose of that video was to give you a sense of where we are right now. Okay, like what is all things are happening, and like yes, first of all, I don't have a YouTube channel. Like it's not like a YouTube channel. I just make videos so that मैं पूरे इसके ecosystem पर Google के ecosystem पे share कर सकूँ. Most of the videos are private. If you want the link to this video, if you guys want, I can make this video public so that everybody can everybody can share. Okay, yes, I will. There are lots and lots of links. I'll share you. I'll share you guys. और आई होप यू गाइस पसंद आया कि नहीं. awesome. Okay, I am great. सबको पसंद आया. We have created artificial life. We are able to integrate machine hands with a brain. जो पहले का मैंने दिखाया था ये. Okay, एक सेकेंड जस्ट. दिस थिंग किसी ने पूछा था इसके बारे में. व्हाट इज दिस? ओके, सो दिस कॉल्ड बैकयार्ड न्यूरोसाइंस करके कंपनी है. they have created they make neuroscience projects for cheap. Okay, for cheap and anybody can use it. so ये जो उन्होंने प्रोडक्ट अभी डिस्प्ले किया है, इसमें क्या किया है, दिस गर्ल्स, ये लड़की अपने दिमाग से सोच रही है टू कंट्रोल हर हैंड और हैंड मूवमेंट. उसने दिया, न्यूरल इंपल्स आए, न्यूरल इंपल्स डिटेक्ट किए इस कंप्यूटर ने, और वो कंप्यूटर ने डिटेक्ट करके फिर वो इम्पल्सेस बाहर से, नो इम्प्लांट कुछ नहीं, बाहर से ही उसकी नर्व को एक पल्स दिया, बिकॉज ऑफ विच उसका हाथ भी फिर मूव करने लगा अकॉर्डिंग टू व्हाट शी थॉट. उसके ब्रेन से दूसरे इंसान का हाथ मूव किया. सी दैट अगेन. Yes, Antanu, that is possible, and that is, you can actually buy this stuff. It's very cheap. Backyard Science करके कंपनी है. मैं लिंक डाल दूंगा बीच में. If anybody wants to buy this whole setup, it's available for there, and you can get it. Okay, you can get it. Never deliver होता है. Okay, सब cool things. Okay, I hope सबको पसंद आया. And price. Okay, good question. Price. I have no idea about the price. मैं एक स्लाइड डालना भूल गया, रुको मैं भी डाल रहा हूँ. थैंक यू. Okay, so एक मिनट. Yeah. Okay, thank you guys. थैंक यू गाइस, सबको पसंद आया आई होप. ओके, सबकी लिंक्स सब कुछ ग्रुप में डालूंगा. ये जीएस के सर्वर पे जो भी है आई विल पुट इट देयर टू.